Right, we'll clean the ends of this up. The reason why we're doing this is because we realise the caps are okay, but we took them off to test them. I want to get it back onto there, and they're otherwise too short. So what we do, we get, I'm getting rid of some of the shit off it. Now what I do, it's a bit long for me, that wire, so I'm going to snip a bit off. Doesn't need to be that long. Make sure I throw that bit out. Right. Hold this wire there. Once I get started, it's alright. Right, like that. Give it a few twists. Dab of solder. See what I've done, I've extended that wire. You can clean the ends in mess, but you just don't need it, it's not that dirty. Note the good joint. Note the good joint on that, it's a nice joint, you can tell. It's flowing nice. I'm not going to bother sleeving it, because no one's going to touch it nowhere. Now it reaches back round where it originally went. That little bit can be cut off, but I'm going to leave it on, because that way I know that it's a mod. Or repair. The light's alright here.
Perfect.